Welcome to our Privacy Cafe in the heart of Munich. Today we are going to discuss a recent decision from the European Court of Justice on online pharmacies and the definition of health data. Let's have a look at the details. It goes way back. We have a decision dating 2003 from the European Court of Justice, linked in the comments below, that the definition of health data has to be very broad. GDPR also states that if you're processing health data under Article 9, you're not allowed to do anything with that data unless you have one of the exemptions applying in Article 9, Section 2 GDPR, text here in the frame. The court has now made the decision with an online pharmacy that the information that goes along with ordering certain medicine is also to be considered health data under Article 9 GDPR. So let's have a look at the circumstances in that specific case, with an online pharmacy selling medicine via an external online platform. The question was whether the information that went along with ordering that medicine also had to be considered personal data and health data under Article 9 GDPR, and the court decided that this information also had to be considered as health data under Article 9 GDPR. What does that mean in practice in detail? So first of all, if you're having any kind of information that is connected to health data, like the information who's ordering a certain medicine, this has to be considered health data in the light of the recent ECJ judgment. Even if you're ordering that medicine for someone else, that still constitutes that this information is to be considered health data. What this also means in practice, that if you're disclosing this information to any other data controller, in that case, the separate online platform Amazon, you need some sort of legal basis for doing so. And looking at the exemptions of Article 9, Section 2 GDPR, typically you require consent to share that information with that other controller. However, if an online pharmacy is selling the medicine on their own platform, exemptions under Article 9 subsection 2 can apply, that you need to process that information in order to fulfill the contractual relationship with the person ordering the medicine. So let's summarize. The European Court of Justice has again made clear that they have a very broad interpretation of the term health data. Any information that is linked to that, like if you're ordering medicine in an online store, that this information is also to be considered health information under Article 9 GDPR. This means that if you're going to share that information with another data controller, like Amazon in that case, you need some sort of legal basis, typically consent, in order to do this in a compliant way. What else has happened in the privacy world? The European Commission has issued their second report on the application of GDPR. See the links in the comments. Have fun reading.